What's going on? Trev Bucherri here, Cork Bestie Transformations, and here we're talking about healthy treats, man. That's what we're talking about. So, we're about to go watch some Jurassic Park, and the kids want some ice cream. So, what do? Bam! We make it happen, and I'm gonna tell you exactly what we did. Check it out. So, let's see. Okay, here it is. We've got Wegmans frozen mango, Wegmans frozen strawberry, organic, getting after it. Then, what do we use for a mixer?
We use
Wegmans Fresh Squeeze OJ. That's what we're talking about. So,
and then we put them all in the blender.
Oh man, look at this. He already knows. He already knows. And what does it come out with? A delicious, tasty treat. So here's the deal. Health can taste amazing. Because here, let me test it. We're gonna prove this. Now, this has not been tried yet. You good?
That's good.
I paid him to say that. No, I'm just kidding. I did. But here's the deal. At the end of the day, you can have delicious stuff and also have it be healthy. Also have it be moving towards your goals. Because the thing is that this tastes amazing and it's nothing but fruit. Nothing but fruit. And you can be on your way to your fitness goals. So that's what it is. It doesn't have to be dairy. It doesn't have to be high fat. It doesn't have to basically be setting you back. It doesn't have to be a guilty pleasure. It can be a healthy pleasure. So, hope you got a bunch out of that. You guys, Trev Bucherri here, Cork Bestie Transformation with the entire Bucherri family here. Thanks so much for watching. You guys have an incredible rest of your day.
Oh,
Bye now.
bye-bye.